If you want to enable or disable edge lighting on Samsung Galaxy A27, then first of all we need to go to Settings. Once you open Settings, then in here we should be able to find the Notifications option. Once you go to Notifications, then here we have the Notification pop-up style. So let's go ahead and open this. You want to first make sure that you have the brief option selected, and then you can go to Add Lighting Effect at the bottom. And then over here you should be able to choose, for example, the echo if you want to have these thin lines on each side. You can also go to color, for example, to switch the color. You can choose any color you want to. There is also the color picker over here. So let's say I'm gonna go for this. Maybe let's actually use our own one. And we can precisely pick pretty much any color whatsoever. Let's say I'm gonna choose this pink one. And there is also the advanced section where we can adjust the transparency and the duration. So let's say we can make it last a little bit longer. Of course, you can choose any effect you want to. For example, here we can use fireworks instead, but you won't have those lines on the side, just like these fireworks at the top or the eclipse, whatever. You can just choose whichever you like the most. And that is pretty much it. Of course, tap on Done in order to save your changes. Leave a like and subscribe.